Hello, this is John O'Connor. This is something I got from the office a few days ago. An elevator panel. Look, it's got a silhouette, $24. A VR2, $38. Centurion, $18. Metropolis Commons, $7. Performer doesn't say number of dollars, but it says included instead. And California VR2, $15. And and this is and these are the brails. That's the front. Let's take a look at the back now. Tri-State Elevator. Quality services since 1936. All right. Now I'm going to turn on the lights on this elevator panel. Here we go. Isn't that cool? Look. This is white, blue, green, red, blue gray, and another red with the ring. Let's press these buttons. And you can see the lights through these. And this is the switch to turn on and off the lights. And there you have it. This view of this elevator panel. And that's it.